Welcome back to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished a WP XACT Pro 6500 cartridge kit that is being installed into a 2023 KTM 350SXF. This kit was revalved to our JBI suspension soft moto setting. With that revalve, we also changed out the pressure springs, the 18 Newton springs that come stock in these cartridges, to a softer pressure spring as well. Also, the correct fork springs were fitted to the cartridges with the proper preload spacer already fitted to the spring and mounted. So that way this rider has his cartridges 100% ready to drop in. You also do get a baggie of other spacers, which will not be needed, and also the tools that come with the kit as well, such as the compression adjusting disc and the preload adjusting tool. The WP XACT Pro 6500 cartridge kit has become very popular the past about year now. It is pretty much the same internals that you'd find in the WP 7548 XACT Pro fork, aka cone valve fork. It just has shims here in the mid valve instead of a cone valve setup. So meaning same spring tube, same clicker cap, same cartridge, same type of spring, very similar bottoming cone design. It's just the mid valve features the cone valve on those forks, and on this mid valve it features the same mid valve piston but shims on the compression side instead of the cone valve. So that's the main key difference between those two. Rider preference, I'd say, is kind of split. A lot of people are happy running either setting. You can get really good settings with cone forks, obviously, and you can get really good settings with shims, as you can see here with this kit. Anyway, Ride JBI has tested, tuned, and developed many other suspension settings for different types of riding for these WP XACT Pro 6500 cartridge kits. So if you ride motocross, off-road, freestyle, arena cross, or supercross, and you're looking at getting some good kit level inserts for your KTM, Husqvarna, or Gas, this is definitely a good way to go about that. RideJBI.com features lots of details on this cartridge kit. Also has a host of YouTube videos that shows you a lot of rider feedback with different people we've worked with, testing, and we're going to have a host more videos coming soon as well. If you'd like Ride JBI to do suspension for you, please give us a call or send us an email. I'd be happy to talk to you and figure out what type of setup we can come up for your bike and needs. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.